What's up, guys? It's 6 a.m. It's Tuesday and we are heading out to the track, or I am heading out to the track today to go to a private event. I'm actually not even sure if I'm able to film, but I will see what I can do. So I'm taking my R8 and Trevor would be taking the Gallardo. So we've got to get out there. It's about a 45-minute drive and we need to be there in about 45 minutes. Got a couple of Ferraris. Nürburgring LFA decided to join us. 458 Spider. I then a long list, including a BAC mono, which that was rare. Dodge Viper ACR heading out right now. So this is interesting. I'm taking the Audi on the track to follow Camille's Vanborghini. I gotta take all my stuff out too. Is taking his van out on the track. I'm following in the midst. They're just grabbing my car to bring it out to the track. Hey, which one's yours?
I got a 2005 Vanborghini SXT.
With the taillight out.
Well, you got snow tires on it too.
You guys look so slow out there.
That was so much fun. Thanks, mate.
How was it, Brendan?
How fast did you go?
I don't know. I couldn't even get up to the top speed.
You were going like 65. And
As soon as I would get to like where I could start speeding up, it was a turn coming. I had to slow down.
I'm getting set up for our cars and coffee tomorrow. So right now I'm just getting some cleaning done. We are actually having a helicopter land here in about an hour. I don't even know if I should call it Cars and Coffee or change the name to Cars and Copters, but I gotta get the shop ready for it. So we have room for the helicopter. This thing's pretty big. I think it's about 30 feet, but yeah, we'll see how we can get it in here. Okay, we got all the cars pulled out of the shop that are in the way. 911R, Gallardo, Porsche Turbo. The helicopter is about 20 minutes out, so I'm gonna go and make sure the parking lot is empty. Okay guys, it's about here. I can hear it coming off over there. Imagine if he's just landing in another parking lot. Yeah. Holy crap, that's a lot of dust. It matches that Rolls Royce really good.
It does match the Rolls Royce.
I love the media drop. I just have to film it.
Just today.
Yeah, just two.
And you can leave them under tension too if you want.
It's now 11:12. Got the production room all clean. Got the shop all ready. I blocked off the helicopter with some orange vinyl. And also the Rolls Royce over there, which we got done. Still need to put the center caps on. Needs a quick wipe down too. So I got the Rolls Royce by the helicopter. I got the 911R and the GT2 RS to be in this bay because it has the best lighting once they're on. That's going outside. Chances BRZ I might put behind the helicopter and Rolls Royce because I think it'd be cool if we had his design just peeking out between the both of these two. That's something I'll decide in the morning, mostly because I hate moving his car because it's so custom and it scares me. That and maneuvering it between a 911R, a helicopter, just doesn't seem very fun to me. It's now 11:15 and I gotta get up at 6 to come back, so it is time for me to take off. The show's now over. My car is the only car in the parking lot. I didn't even get to film that much. It was kind of busy. Then it started raining, which isn't fun. Okay guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. It's crazy to see a helicopter behind me, but everything's back in the shop. I will see you guys next week. Bye.